TCB TV githima kia dibaini irakurehera haria turi. TCB TV githima kia dibaini. It's almost 6 months. A monster known as COVID-19 was noticed throughout the world, and barely 3 months when it knocked entry into Kenyan doors. And since then, the Kenyan society has undergone tough and critical conditions towards crippling, and unless we adhere and heed with the government advice and take serious measures on this COVID-19 pandemic, then we might end up to face serious and tough times ahead if we take protective measures as a joke. A lot of changes has been experienced on how things are being done in the past, and the present shall determine the destiny of our future. Out of this, and as a result of the disease transmission and quick infections, the government had no otherwise other than introducing lockdown and imposing curfew between 19 hours to 5 a.m. in the morning within the counties which the disease had spread greatly within Nairobi, Mombasa, among other counties. The act of people working from their homes was lifted, wearing masks in public places, sanitizing and keeping social distances. This resulted to many people and workers being summarily dismissed, and most of the businesses were closed down, forcing most of the people to dry off their pockets after what they had saved got finished, as most of them ran below the dollar rate. Out of this, the Landlords and Tenants Association came out to express their views and urging the landlords to waive the land to their tenants for at least 3 months. Also, the president came out to reduce taxes to 14% among other taxes, and announcing a boost to banking sector and reviving the SMEs. The move from Landlords and Tenants Association was a welcome to the tenants. An approach from the banking was appreciated. In a matter of reasoning together, it is inhuman to crack off the roof and door due to default of rent payment, of which within these hard times of COVID-19, there has to be reconciliation between the landlords and tenants, but taking into account that where is the balance? If the investment lies on a loan from a bank, which the loan has to be serviced each and every month, with experience in record, an officer from a banking institution through a phone, and I quote, "Remember to pay the loan in time, as the arrangement was before Corona, and it's not an excuse. Remember, you need us after the Corona." End of quote. After inquiring from the institution, the answer was that they don't have such an employee. After receiving more than 5 calls in reminder, even after paying more than 94% of the amount to be paid, let's agree together that we need each other, the government, banks, landlords, and tenants. We are all dependent on each other. Therefore, it's not only the landlords needs banks after Corona, also the landlords needs the tenants after Corona. Whatever goes around comes around. Also, whatever has a start, it has an end, and things shall come back to normal. Reporting for and on behalf of TCB Heritage Media, mine to be called and answered is Kenyatta Wagatudhu. Oguo na hau niho haria turi.